Welcome! Cybersecurity is booming, and ethical hacking is your way in. Today, we're breaking down the top 15 essential Kali Linux tools for beginners in 2025. We'll cover what each tool does, why it matters, and how you can start using it right away. If you're ready to take your first real step into penetration testing, you're in the right place. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive straight into the world of ethical hacking. Let's get started. First up is Nmap, the hello world of network security. Nmap scans networks to reveal hosts, open ports, services, and operating systems. Think of it as your digital blueprint. It's simple for beginners. Just type, and you'll see what's running on your network. As you learn, you can add options for stealth or aggressive scans, and even automate checks with its scripting engine. Practice by scanning your own virtual lab to see what a normal network looks like. This hands-on approach teaches you both the tool and how networks communicate. Nmap is the foundation of every penetration test. You can't secure what you can't see. If Nmap shows you the doors, Metasploit helps you open them. Metasploit is a platform for finding and exploiting vulnerabilities, with a huge library of exploits and payloads. Its MSF console interface is beginner-friendly. Just search, set, and launch. Use it in a virtual lab with intentionally vulnerable machines like Metasploitable 2. You'll learn the full attack lifecycle, reconnaissance, exploitation, and post-exploitation. Metasploit turns theory into hands-on experience. Practice safely, and you'll build real skills. Wireshark lets you see the raw data moving across your network. It captures and displays network traffic in real time, breaking it down by protocol, source, and destination. Start small, capture traffic, filter for HTTP, and watch your browser's requests and responses. You'll see how the web really works, packet by packet. Wireshark's filters help you focus on what matters. It's a must-have for understanding networks at a granular level. Once you see the data, you'll never look at the internet the same way. Passwords are everywhere, and Hydra is your tool for testing their strength. Hydra automates brute force and dictionary attacks against login services like FTP, SSH, and web forms. Just provide a target, a username list, and a password list. Hydra does the rest. It's a clear demonstration of why weak passwords are dangerous. Only use Hydra in your own lab environment. Set up a test server with a weak password and see how quickly Hydra cracks it. Strong, unique passwords are your first line of defense. Wi-Fi security is critical, and Aircrack-ng is the toolkit for testing it. Use Aerodump-ng to capture packets, Airplay-ng to generate traffic, and Aircrack-ng to crack Wi-Fi passwords. You'll need a compatible wireless adapter, but the learning experience is worth it. Practice on your own network, capture a handshake, and try to crack a simple password. This process shows why long, complex Wi-Fi passwords matter. Aircrack-ng makes wireless security tangible. Always test on networks you own. John the Ripper cracks password hashes offline. Feed it a file of hashes and it'll try dictionary and brute force attacks, including clever variations. It's a powerful way to see how easily weak passwords fall, even with small changes. Generate your own hashes and watch John work. It's a sobering lesson in password security. Complexity and uniqueness are key. Web apps run the world, and Burp Suite is your web traffic interceptor. It sits between your browser and the internet, letting you see and modify requests and responses. Use the proxy to intercept traffic, repeater to tweak and resend requests, and intruder for basic automated attacks. Start by logging into a test site and replaying requests. See what changes break or bypass security. Burp Suite reveals the inner workings of web applications. It's essential for web app testing. Experiment, observe, and learn. Need a quick web server scan? Nikto is your tool. It checks for thousands of known vulnerabilities, outdated software, and misconfigurations. Just run and review the results. Nikto is fast, loud, and perfect for finding low-hanging fruit. Use it only on servers you control. It's a great way to see how default setups can be insecure. Harden your servers after every install. SQL injection is a top web threat, and SQLmap automates finding and exploiting it. Point SQLmap at a vulnerable URL, and it'll test for injection, identify the database, and even extract data. Use it on test apps like DVWA to see the risks firsthand. SQLmap turns a complex attack into a few simple commands. It's a must-learn for web security. Always test responsibly. The biggest vulnerability? People. SET lets you simulate social engineering attacks. It automates phishing emails, fake login pages, and more, all from a simple menu. Use SET to clone a login page and see how credentials can be harvested. This tool teaches the psychological side of security. Only use SET in controlled, consensual environments. It's a powerful reminder to stay vigilant. Trust, but verify every link. Reconnaissance is key, and Maltego visualizes connections between people, domains, and infrastructure. Start with a domain or email, and Maltego maps out related data from public sources. Its graphical charts make patterns and relationships easy to spot. Try it on your own domain to see your digital footprint. Maltego shows how much info is publicly available. Awareness is your first defense. Hidden web content can be a goldmine for attackers. Gobuster brute forces directories and files on web servers using word lists. It's fast and simple. Point it at a test server and see what's lurking beneath the surface. You might find backup files, admin panels, or sensitive data. Practice by creating hidden files and seeing if Gobuster finds them. It's a vital skill for web enumeration. What's hidden isn't always safe. For raw speed, Hashcat is the king of password cracking. It uses your GPU to try billions of password combinations per second. Supports a huge range of hash types and attack modes. Once set up, it's as easy as providing hashes, selecting the mode, and watching it work. Hashcat shows why strong, salted hashes are essential. Speed is the enemy of weak security. Recon-ng automates open-source intelligence gathering from the command line. Create a workspace, add your target, and run modules to collect data like hosts, emails, and social profiles. It's modular, scriptable, and stores everything in a central database. Start with DNS and WHOIS modules. No API keys needed. Recon-ng teaches methodical, organized recon. It's a great way to see how much you can learn without touching the target. Information is power. Use it wisely. Ettercap is your tool for man-in-the-middle attacks in a lab. It uses ARP spoofing to intercept and modify traffic between devices on a local network. Capture passwords, inject code, or just observe. Ettercap makes it possible. Always use it in an isolated virtual lab you control. Set up 3 VMs, attacker, victim, and gateway, and watch the attack unfold. Ettercap demonstrates the need for encryption like HTTPS. Never test on networks you don't own. These 15 tools are your starter kit for ethical hacking in 2025. They're powerful. Use them only on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. The line between ethical and illegal is clear. Always stay on the right side. Build your skills in a virtual lab, not the real world. Let me know which tool you're most excited to try in the comments. Subscribe for more cybersecurity deep dives. Stay curious, stay ethical, and I'll see you next time.